looking at.
Oh,
I
this is
know, that is
fabulous
just
moth.
gorgeous.
And this has been out for a couple of days, so they don't live very long. They can't eat anything.
Yeah, so when the Atlas moth emerges out of that chrysalis, it emerges without a mouth part, so it doesn't eat anything. That's why it has kind of a chunkier body than the butterflies you see, because the butterflies have proboscis, they can drink nectar, kind of prolong their life a bit.
That makes sense. They need a bigger body and they can hold.
Yeah, so they just
store
have all the
energy.
food that they ate as caterpillars now stored in those fat bodies.